Today my guest is Dr. Jayashree. She's an eye specialist and I'm at her clinic in Mumbai. Welcome Dr. Jayashree.
Thank you, Dr. Malahar, for visiting at my clinic and taking my interview.
Dr. Jayashree, can you tell me what is cataract?
Yes, Dr. Malahar, cataract is what we are having now, clear lens. It will be like this. This is the clear lens. But this lens, after the age like 40, 50, it is called as a senile cataract. So this lens becomes foggy. So the rays is not passing into the eye. So there will be having a blur vision. The patient will see blur things. And there are some types of cataracts are there. In old age, that is called as a senile cataract. Means most of the after the age of 40, most of the people get cataract. It's like how your hair gets gray. That same way, this lens, crystalline lens, get gray, and we too need to operate that, and we have to implant some artificial lens. By operating now, there is so many techniques are there. Laser techniques are there. One is the phacoemulsification techniques are there. In some rural area, thus giving an incision and removing that cataract and putting an artificial lens to get a clear vision. This is the cataract. And in some children also, that is called as a congenital cataract. So for children, we require some special setup for that. And even for them also, after removing cataract, we are putting the artificial lens to avoid blindness.
Okay, Dr. Jayashree, what is glaucoma? What are the symptoms and causes of it?
See, glaucoma is a condition in which there is a rise in the intraocular pressure. Intraocular pressure means आँख का प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. बट उसमें भी दो टाइप होते हैं. भले आँख का प्रेशर नॉर्मल भी हो, लेकिन वो जो पीछे वाला ऑप्टिक नर्व होता है, द ऑप्टिक नर्व बिहाइंड द आई, देयर आर शोइंग सम साइंस ऑफ अ प्रेशर. Because of their pressure, there is a loss of visual field, and it is a silent killer. Slowly it reduces your field. Patient is literally unaware of this until and unless they go for a checkup, and to leads to blindness that is irreversible. Okay. In this case, there are two types. Sometimes there is open, generally after the age of 50, 60, we found that there is a open angle glaucoma. Open angle means that long angles are open, but the pressure in the eye creates damage to the optic nerve. And another way is that there is a closure angle. Closure angle, there is a means whichever the fluid in the eye, we have to move on all the time. It gets stuck up somewhere and create a eye pressure. And the third one, you will see in the children also, because of some anomalies or anything like that, there is a rise in the pressure. Even in childhood, that is called as the congenital glaucoma. And the earliest the treatment, less is the field loss, we can stop the blindness further. But whatever is happened is happened. So it is required to have a regular checkup for that.
What is diabetic retinopathy?
Diabetic retinopathy is when the patients who are having an uncontrolled diabetes, so we can see some leakage. Leakage means blood seepage in your retina. And whichever the focus area is called as a macula, if you get a swelling over there and the leakage, that may lead to blindness because of that. And if the diabetes is too much of uncontrolled, there are chances because of the seepage you may get a intravitreal. Intravitreal means the cavity is there in the eye, you get a bleeding into it. So there may be chances that patient may go to blind. So whosoever having a diabetes should have a regular eye checkup every 6 monthly. Rule out any diabetic retinopathy is there, any problem on the retina.
What is hypertensive retinopathy?
See, hypertensive retinopathy is like when there is a uncontrolled blood pressure, like blood pressure is excess, like 150, 110, 100 or something. In that case, what happened? There is a constrictions of vessel. Because of the blockage of vessel, there is a expanding and rupture of vessel happen on the retina. And it includes the retina, sometimes in a macular region, means where there is a vision quality is very good. Even we can see some spots of because of that on the retina. That may lead to loss of vision also. And patient may lead to blindness. And hypertensive retinopathy is the reflection, means how your blood pressure is there. There are stages like 1, 2, 3, 4 stages are there. In that way it is. If there is a swelling, you can see on the optic nerve. That is the last stage of the hypertension. Means your brain is also affected because of that hypertension. So you have to immediately consult to ophthalmologist as well as to the physician.
Okay, Dr. Jayashree, my last question is that what is dry eyes?
This is really a wonderful question you had asked me, because nowadays everyone is facing this problem.
Actually, that's why I asked you.
Yeah, because lot of screen time is going on. Even children's, even aged peoples also, who is at, they are go on watching the reels, mobile and everything. Because of that, what happens? Their posture get affected. Other thing is that they don't blink much. So their eyes, whatever tear film is there, it get evaporated.
Okay.
And you get a fine spots on your cornea. So there will be a blur vision.
Oh.
And there is a loss of some cells also because of the dryness.
Uh-huh.
So whoever having a dryness issue actually should increase the blinking rate.
Oh.
There is some artificial tears also, we have to put in that. And most important that they have to reduce their screen time. Screen time should be reduced. Whenever it is required, it is required. I understand. Now the scenario is all digital.
Yes, yes, of course.
So
yeah.
it is a must. So in that, how you can give protection to yourself? You have to take put a anti-glare glasses.
Okay, yeah.
Anti-glare, acts, but it's 50%. Not you can you
Okay.
cannot rely completely. People says, oh, I wore anti-glare, so there won't be any kind of a problem.
Okay,
But it is
okay.
not like that. It's just
Okay.
50% protection is there.
I've heard specs have also come anti-glare.
But that is only 50%.
Acha,
So the main thing is you have to reduce the screen time.
Okay.
Take a intermediate breaks. Purposefully blink your eyes. So there should be a lubrication. Your eye should remain wet. There should not be any dry spots in the eye.
Okay.
You have to put some artificial eye drops also available. We have to put it. Now the children, adults, old age, everybody is required this kind of a treatment. Now the people will face in future also, when the screen time will go on increasing, this problem is going on increasing. So,
New gadgets, new problems. It's like
yeah,
that.
yeah, absolutely. So from initially only you have to take precautions, like make a good posture, take a frequent break, look far off. There is a some 20-20 rule. Means if you are watching that for 20 minutes, take a break from after 20 minutes, watch 20 feet far off, make a blinking 20 times.
Okay.
There's some rules are there. You have to follow that. So to some extent, we can avoid this kind of a problem.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jayashree, for giving us your time and letting us know so much about eye problems, how we can protect our eyes. I'm sure viewers must have also, there are so many things which they did not know, like what is glaucoma, what is cataract. I'm sure after what you've said, after you've given so much of information, they've also got a lot of information, and I'm sure all of us, in fact, even me, I'll also do one eye checkup every year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Malahat, for giving me opportunity to guide the people actually on this podcast. And special thanks to IBP News, who had given me opportunity to speak eye-related problems. So the general public will know this, and you people came all the way to Kandivali at my clinic. Thank you so much for that.